In this guide, we will show how to create a new item in Tradoo ERP quickly and efficiently. First, navigate to the Items module from the main dashboard. Before creating an item, click on Setup to configure the required item settings. In the Setup section, define the necessary configurations such as Items category, Invoice proposal category, Purchase category, Tax, Unit. Once everything is configured, return to the Items page. Click the plus button to create a new item. Enter the product details, including product type, name, SKU, tax, category, description. Enter the pricing information, sale price, purchase price, unit, quantity. Upload product images or media files to identify the item easily. Select the warehouse where the product will be stored. For FBR compliance, fill in the required information: HS code, SRO schedule number, SRO item serial number, sale type, FBR transaction type. After completing all fields, click Submit to create the item. And that's how easily you can create and manage items in Tradoo ERP.